So if you want to go ahead and insert multiple stock footages at once and then play them out at the same time in a layout, then you can do that as well. So to do that, over here on the right hand side, simply go around over here onto stock and then go around onto videos. So over here you can see that I got different videos. So let's just go ahead and say something like oranges right here, just like this. And then videos related to oranges pops up. So let me just go ahead and click on one of them, and then you can see that this is what I have right here. So now in order to add in another footage onto this, I can simply go ahead and select out, let's say for example, this orange right here, just like this, click and drag it, and then you can keep it out right here, just like this, as you can see. You can also go ahead and crop it out right here as per how you wish right here to give it a certain look as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around over here and change around the outlook of the video just like this as well. And even go ahead and then click and drag out the edges right here, just like this, to give it a look as you want. So now similarly, you can go ahead and add in another video of your choice as well. So you can go around over here and then choose the layout as you need right here, just like this, and keep it right here, just like this. So you can go ahead right here, resize it out, and this is the video that you have overlapped from one another, as you can see. If I were to press the play button, you can see all of the videos now plays at once, just like this, as you can see right here. So now this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can go ahead and then insert out multiple stock videos within a scene easily as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.